I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on the Epic Store, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help resolve any temporary issues that might be affecting the payment process. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear cache and cookies. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with online transactions. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and try again. Step 4. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, switch to a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can arise with specific browsers. For example, if you're using Safari, try Chrome instead. Step 5. Contact Epic support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Epic Games support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and payment history. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issue quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.